Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, September the 13th, 2022. Yes, we have only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles we have here are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Half of these puzzles in the additional I will solve today. And also the medium Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, we have here the new king, Charles the and Camilla. Yes. Charles and Camilla, God save the king. Yes, not the queen, but the king. Yes. They are together, and the king and the queen. Yes. As you know, Queen Elizabeth passed away a few days ago at 96. Yes. All right. Let me continue with the Sudoku medium. Let me start with the medium Sudoku. All right. That's this one. Medium Sudoku, and this will be number I believe number 5165. Okay, 5165. Let me position the camera and focus the camera. Yes, come on, yes. All right. 5165. Let me mark this. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 20, come on, the camera, 28, I believe, yeah, 28 printed digits. Should be an easier one than a Sudoku with 27. The 1 star Sudoku in the additional with 27 printed digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So maybe this one, 40 minutes. Well, we will see if I can minutes faster than 14 minutes. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. Here, 3 in this row. So no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Oh. Right. Come on. Then. Let me see the 3 in the third column, the 3 in the second column. So the first column, there only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see our 3 in this row. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in the second row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have another 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3 Alright. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the third row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about, let me see, the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the second column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the third row. So no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1 and digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Then. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Ooh, yeah. 4, 4, 4. Interesting. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 in this row. First row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 4 in the last row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in that box. Here 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this column should be here. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number? Let me see. Okay. 6. Well, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, and look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Here's 6 in the third row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 9. 1 box left in this big square. Wow, the 1 and 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. So I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2 and the 9 earlier. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 9. Right, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row. So no 2 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for number 1. Okay. 2, 2, okay, 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes here. 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the third column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Right. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 7 and the 9. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Okay. How about the 9? No. Yeah, how about the 5? The 5 in the first column, the 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the last row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 5. It should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the third column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. And the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Not faster than 40 minutes. So this is really a 1 star. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles and additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.